Hello again, welcome in my channel. If you guys like my channel, then please subscribe so that you does not miss my videos. Welcome again. Today I am going to show you how to read the text from the images. Okay. So for this we need to go to again Azure AI Vision Service, Computer Vision Service. We have to go again. To creating it, just we need to create a resource button here. Just click on the create a resource, and we have to search here computer vision. Okay. Now you can see the computer vision is visible here. Just go create and click on the computer vision. You have to choose the resource group. I am already created resource group 1. If you want to create new, just go and create a new resource group. Then we have to select the region. I am selecting Sweden Central. You can select anyone based on your subscription, and here we can give the any name. I am giving just name simple vision something. Pricing tier I am choosing free one, and we need to select this checkbox for review. Now click on the review plus create button. It will review your requirement. It will take few seconds. Its review is done. Just we need to click on the create button. The deployment is started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. You can see a deployment is progress, and it will create the all details in few minutes here. Your deployment is completed. Click on the go to resource, and you can see here uh, the computer vision resource is created. Just click on this. Yeah, the resource is ready for your use, and this is the key and the endpoint. Key and endpoint will be used whenever you will going to call through the Python. So this is the very simple steps to creating the computer vision, and I am going to use in the Python. The guys, let's go in the Python code. Now I am going to show how to call that computer vision service in the Python. So first of all, this is the project reading text image, and I have added all this project in my GitHub. So you guys can take the URL from my YouTube video, and if you have any confusion, just comment me. So I will show you how to. If any confusion in the creating this code, then I will update you. Okay. So this is the project. I am keeping the 3 image for my testing purpose. This is the environment, and environment in the environment we have to add my key and endpoints. And this is the my text file. So before we need to install some component. This is the .NET env, and these are the 4 components required, and Azure AI Vision image analysis. I all added in the requirement.txt. Before you need to just add this command pip install -r requirement.txt. This will install the all required from this file. So no need to take other things. Okay. Now in the Python code, let's go. This is the simple what we are namespace we are going to use. We are taking here these 3 namespace we are going to use here. Now in the main function, First of all, these lines just clearing the console, and these three lines just loading environment, means we are getting the details from .env file, and our service endpoint and service key. This is the simple image. For argument purpose I am keeping. If you do not pass any argument, then it will take the by default lencol.ehp. Otherwise you can pass in the argument any images from this folder. This is the our client object creation. We are creating the client object. Now read text in images. These lines will read the text from the images, and for which image we are going to print. This is the reading text in image, and now we are going to call the our CV client. CV client means image analysis client. I am calling the CV client here and passing the image data and features. Features means visual features dot read. Now print the text. If result is read is not none, then print text. This is the simple steps by reading the any image, any text from the image. Now I'm going to read. Let's see. I am calling Python image analysis. This is the Python file. This is the command to run the Python, and I am want to read the image from the building.jpg. Just adding enter. There are no such file in directory. Just let me check the file. Yeah, building.jpg is not image. I just add a node.jpg. So just yeah, I am just run the file and click python read text.py, and I am passing the argument as images node.jpg. You can see here reading text in image node.jpg. This is this line, this is the argument, and this is the reading text in which images text. You can see here that is the text, and it's star reading the each line and print line dot text. It's reading whatever text noted in there. You can see the image shopping list non-fat milk bread eggs. You can see shopping list non-fat milk. So whatever the text written in this image, you can read it. Let's see this one. I want to read this text in the image. Nothing we have to do. We have to just call lincoln.jpg. Okay. You can see here reading the text, and you can see in the text temple all the text written in the image, it can be read here. Yeah, this is the basic steps for reading the image. I am going to upload this project in my GitHub, and you can take the project, clone the repository from my GitHub, and if any confusion, then add the comment. I will reply whenever I got the time. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.